Hey guys, this is Corey, and this is a flight review and test flight of the LX 70mm F-22 by Skyflight Hobby. Are you ready for the test flight of the LX 70mm F-22? Whoa! How do I get that? Better than I thought, because at least it didn't like land on its upside down. Yeah, it looks like my battery hatch fell out. My battery hatch fell out. I glued that in, but it came out, so. My landing gear got bent. The good news is, they could all be fixed. The bad news, I don't know I did it. Anything happened? Is I had my ailerons and my rudder. Yeah, it's a good thing I didn't have her hand launch it, because that would have went right into the ground. It takes a while to get off the ground for some reason. Oh God, why did it do that? I wonder if the battery thing came out when it took off, or if it came out in the spin.
Yeah, I couldn't tell.
I have to analyze the video.
Yeah, we'll have to look at the video.
It didn't crack. Sometimes I buy these models, they don't fly. I put them in the didn't work. It didn't work pile. The retired pile.
The display only model, display model.
Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with it. I don't know why it didn't fly. I think maybe because what I did was I added my ailerons and my elevator. So if my ailerons went like this, my elevators would go like that too. So I thought I'd get more spin. But maybe what it did is it caused an uncontrollable looping. I was thinking about disabling it first, but then I was thinking, what if I crash because I don't enable it to spin, to have the ailerons and the elevator signal? But seeing what happened, that's what made it, that could have been why it crashed. And now my retracts are ruined.